Imagine earning $10,000 per month with AI-created ebooks, a reality many are living today. Welcome to the future of publishing, where artificial intelligence has taken center stage, transforming the way we create, distribute, and consume content. AI-created ebooks are not just about automation, they're about unlocking new possibilities and opportunities. These digital books, crafted with the help of intelligent algorithms, are changing the landscape of the publishing industry. And the best part? You don't need to be a seasoned author or a tech whiz to get started. With AI, you can generate high-quality content in a fraction of the time it would typically take. It's about choosing a profitable niche, one with demand but low competition. It's about leveraging AI tools to brainstorm and validate your ideas, generating chapters, and refining your content. But creating the ebook is just part of the journey. You'll need to format it, design an eye-catching cover, and then prepare it for the world to see. To do this, you'll be optimizing it for publishing platforms like Amazon Kindle, direct publishing, setting your price, and using built-in marketing tools to boost visibility and sales. However, the journey doesn't end with publishing. You'll need to promote your ebook, leveraging platforms such as social media and email marketing. And as you gain traction, you'll want to scale up, publishing multiple ebooks and exploring other formats like audiobooks. At its core, this process is about generating passive income, a revenue stream that doesn't require your constant attention. It's about financial freedom, the ability to earn from anywhere, at any time. So, are you ready to dive into the process of generating passive income with AI-created ebooks? It's an exciting journey, one that's filled with opportunities and promises of a brighter, more sustainable financial future. Let's unlock the potential of AI-created ebooks together. New here? Stay informed. Subscribe now for more invaluable financial tips. Step 1. Choosing a profitable niche, a vital foundation for your ebook. This step is like picking the perfect soil to plant your seeds in. The right niche can be the difference between a flourishing ebook or one that never takes root. Now, what makes a niche profitable? It's a blend of genuine interest and market demand. You want to pick a topic that you're passionate about, but it also needs to be something people are willing to pay for. It's not enough to select a field you love, and then hope the readers will come. You have to find that sweet spot where your interests meet the needs of a specific audience. So how do you find this sweet spot? That's where artificial intelligence tools come into play. These tools can help you gauge the market demand and competition level of potential niches. They can analyze search engine data, social media trends, and even the performance of similar ebooks on platforms like Amazon. With this data, you'll get a clearer picture of what topics are in demand and which ones are oversaturated. Let's say, for instance, you're interested in the niche of vegan cooking. An AI tool could show you how many people are searching for vegan recipes online, the popularity of vegan hashtags on social media, and the sales rank of vegan cookbooks on Amazon. If the demand is high but the competition is low, you've hit the jackpot. But remember, choosing a niche isn't a one-and-done deal. It's a process of brainstorming, validation, and fine-tuning. You might start with a broad niche like fitness and then narrow it down to home workouts for busy moms. By getting more specific, you can carve out a unique space in the market where your ebook can shine. And there you have it. Step 1, choosing a profitable niche, is complete. With the right niche, you are now ready to move on to generating content. Remember, your niche is the foundation of your ebook. Choose wisely, and the rest of the process will become a whole lot easier. Step 2, generating content with AI, an innovative way to fill your ebook with valuable information. As we venture into this exciting world of AI-generated content, it's important to remember that your ebook's success largely depends on the quality and value of its content. But you might be wondering, how can I possibly come up with all that content? Well, that's where AI comes to the rescue. With AI tools such as ChatGPT, you don't have to be an expert writer or spend countless hours researching and writing. These tools are designed to help you generate high-quality content quickly and efficiently. Here's how it works. You input a few keywords or a basic outline about your chosen topic into the AI tool. Then, like magic, the tool will generate a complete draft of your ebook, including chapters and subheadings. But that's not all. AI tools can also help you refine your content. They can suggest edits, improve sentence structure, correct grammar, and even enhance the overall readability of your ebook. Now you might be thinking, can I really trust an AI to write my ebook? Well, the answer is yes. These AI tools are not just random text generators, they are powered by advanced algorithms and machine learning models that have been trained on millions of high-quality texts. They understand context, language nuances, and can produce content that is coherent, engaging, and informative. But remember, AI is a tool, not a substitute, for human creativity and judgment. It's up to you to guide the AI, to add your personal touch, and to ensure that the content aligns with your audience's needs and interests. So, while the AI does the heavy lifting, you're still in control, making key decisions and steering the direction of your ebook. So, there you have it. AI is not just a futuristic concept, it's a game-changing tool that can help you create valuable ebooks quickly and efficiently. And the best part is, you don't need any technical skills to use these tools. They are user-friendly and designed for everyone, from beginners to experienced authors. With your content ready, it's time to format your ebook. Step 3. Formatting your ebook, a crucial step that ensures a seamless reading experience. This involves more than just arranging words on a page. It's about crafting an engaging, easy-to-read, and professional-looking product. Think of your ebook's format as its backbone, supporting the content and enhancing the reader's journey through your words. Start by breaking your content into manageable chunks with headings. Headings not only make your content more digestible, but also help to guide your reader's journey. Next, insert page breaks at the end of each chapter. This creates a natural pause for your readers and keeps your content organized. Finally, convert your file into an .epub or PDF format. These are universally accepted ebook formats that ensure your book can be read on any device. There are various free tools available online to assist you in this process. Now that your ebook is well formatted, let's move on to creating a captivating cover. Step 4. Designing an eye-catching cover, the first thing your potential readers see. Now let's talk about creating a cover that captivates and intrigues. Remember, your ebook cover is essentially your book's first impression, so it has to be compelling. To design a professional cover, tools like Canva or Adobe Spark can be your best friends. They offer a variety of templates and design elements that can be customized to your liking. Even if you're not a design whiz, these tools simplify the process, making it easy for anyone to create an engaging cover. Consider your book's genre and audience while designing. The cover should give a hint about the content inside while also standing out in a crowd of ebooks. It needs to be visually appealing but also clear and readable, even in thumbnail size. With a captivating cover, you're ready to publish your ebook on Amazon Kindle. Finding this helpful? Subscribe and stay updated with our latest insights. Step 5. Optimizing and publishing on Amazon Kindle, the platform that will connect you with your readers. This is where your ebook finds a home and the world gets to discover your work. Firstly, you'll need to create a Kindle Direct Publishing account. If you don't have one already, head over to kdp.amazon.com and sign up for a free account. This is your gateway to publishing on Amazon Kindle. Once your account is set up, it's time to upload your ebook. Log into your KDP account and click on Create a new Kindle ebook. Upload your formatted ebook file, which should be in .pub or .mobi format. Now it's time to get your ebook discovered by choosing the right categories and keywords. Pick the most relevant categories for your ebook. To boost discoverability, use Amazon's search bar to find trending keywords in your niche, and enter these in the keyword section. Next, you need to set your price. This is a crucial step as it can impact your sales and royalties. Consider enrolling in KDP Select, which allows you to offer your ebook in Kindle Unlimited. This can help you reach a wider audience and increase your royalties. Before you hit that publish button, take a moment to preview your ebook using the KDP Previewer. This tool lets you see how your ebook will look on different devices. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, go ahead and click Publish. Within 72 hours, your ebook will be available on Amazon. But wait, your journey doesn't end here. You've got an ebook out there, but now you need to get it noticed. This is where Amazon's marketing tools come into play. Kindle countdown deals and Amazon ads are great ways to boost visibility and sales. Use them to get your ebook in front of as many eyes as possible. Remember, publishing your ebook is not the end of your journey. It's just the beginning. It's the start of a new phase where you connect with your readers, get feedback, and continue improving. Once your ebook is published, it's time to market and promote it. This is your chance to shine, to get your work out there and start making a difference. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about selling an ebook, it's about sharing your knowledge and passion with the world. Step 6. Marketing your ebook, a step that will significantly increase your sales. Now that your ebook is live on Amazon, It's time to get the word out. How do you do that? By employing a smart marketing strategy that leverages the power of social media, email marketing, and Amazon's very own advertising platform. Let's start with social media. It's no secret that platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and even YouTube are teeming with potential readers. Posting engaging content about your ebook, sharing snippets, or creating a captivating trailer can all stir interest and drive traffic to your Amazon page. Email marketing is another powerful tool in your marketing arsenal. If you have an existing email list, great. If not, start building one. You can offer a free chapter from your ebook as a lead magnet to entice people to sign up. Send regular updates about your ebook, share valuable content, and of course direct them to where they can purchase your ebook. Now let's talk about Amazon ads. This is a pay-per-click advertising solution that can boost your ebook's visibility on Amazon, placing it right in front of potential buyers. You can target your ads based on keywords, products, or shopper interests, giving you the flexibility to reach the right audience. Remember, marketing is not a one-time event, but an ongoing process. Keep experimenting with different strategies, track your results, and refine your approach based on what works best. And don't forget to engage with your audience. Respond to their comments, answer their queries, and build a community around your ebook. In the world of ebooks, marketing is king. It's the fuel that drives sales, the wind that sails your ebook ship into the vast sea of readers. And with the right marketing strategies in place, there's no limit to how far your ebook can go. With effective marketing, you're well on your way to scaling your ebook empire. Step 7, scaling your ebook empire, the ultimate goal. The key to hitting that $10,000 per month milestone is diversification and consistency. The success of one ebook is fantastic, but imagine the potential when you have multiple ebooks, each generating revenue. Start by publishing multiple ebooks in your chosen niche. This not only increases your visibility but also gives your readers more options, which in turn boosts your overall sales. But don't stop at ebooks. Consider branching out into audiobooks too. With platforms like Audible growing in popularity, you'd be tapping into a whole new market. Remember, the more revenue streams you have, the closer you get to that $10,000 per month goal. It's all about leveraging what you have and continuously expanding your digital portfolio. Financial freedom is within your reach, so keep pushing, stay consistent, and watch as your ebook empire grows. It's time to start your AI-powered ebook journey. We've walked you through the 7 steps to unlocking a potential monthly income of $10,000, all by harnessing the power of artificial intelligence. We've explored how to identify a profitable niche, use AI to generate content, format your ebook, design an eye-catching cover, and publish on Amazon Kindle. We've also discussed how to effectively market and promote your ebook, and the potential of scaling your ebook empire to earn a significant monthly income. The journey may seem daunting, but remember, every journey begins with a single step, and that first step is yours to take. Embrace the power of AI, tap into your entrepreneurial spirit, and start creating and selling your ebooks. The world of AI-generated ebooks is waiting for you. Take the leap today and start creating and selling your AI-generated ebooks. The potential is limitless. Enjoyed the video? Give it a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe for more. Hit the bell icon to stay notified and share to inspire others. See you in the next one.